Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing our higher paper 2 and we're looking at question 13 for our exam preparation, and this is about probability. So a bag contains only yellow and blue counters. A counter is taken at random from the bag and its colours noted. Counter is then replaced back into the bag and a second colour counter is randomly taken. The probability that at least one of the counters is yellow, so at least one, is 0.91. Work out the probability that exactly one of the counters is yellow. Okay, so I like to draw a tree diagram here. You don't have to do this, but it visualizes it for me. So I'm either going to choose yellow or blue, and then on the second time yellow or blue, with the probability staying the same because it is replaced here. Now it says at least one of the counters is yellow is 0.91. So I could have yellow and yellow, could have yellow and blue, could have blue and yellow, or could have blue and blue. Now, all three of those, at least one is yellow. Not exactly one, just at least one. So that probability of those three is 0.91. But I know the probabilities must all sum to 1. So chance of getting blue and blue must be 0.09, which means, given that these two probabilities are the same, the probability of getting blue must be 0.3, because 0.3 times 0.3 would give me 0.09. So now I can try and work backwards. If blue is 0.3, that means the probability of getting yellow just at one node, that there is 0.3, that must sum to 1, meaning that probability of getting yellow is 0.7. So yellow and yellow is going to be 0.49. Yellow and blue is going to be 0.21, again 0.21, and this is 0.09. Now those should all sum to 1, because 0.49 and 0.09 is 0.58, that's 0.42, so yes, they all sum to 1, and that's 0.42, 0.8 to 0.91, yes, so those three there sum to 0.91. So now let's answer our question. We've used information there. Now work out the probability that exactly one of the counters is yellow. So I don't want that. I just want exactly 1. Well, it could be this or this. So the answer is going to be 0.42. Okay, so I realize I've jumped around the page there a little bit, but some crucial things. The 0.91 they gave us, which allowed us to get the 0.09 there, which allowed us to get those two. And from that, excluding that, we could get 0.21 in one case, or the other 0.21 with blue and yellow, or yellow and blue. So there we go. That's 4 marks in paper 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And good luck for your exams.